Assalamualaikum. How to change hostname in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. To change hostname, we need to log in with root user. Su space dash command is used to change the user from local to root user. Su stands for super user. Let's go to our lab. This is our Linux server. We are logging in with student user. Let's open terminal. Type hostname. You can see the current hostname. Localhost.localdomain is our current hostname. Let's try to change the hostname from local user. To change hostname, type hostname space new hostname. Here is macro.com. Here is a warning that you must be root to change the hostname. You have to be a root user to change the hostname. We will learn a new command. To change user, type su space dash. Put the root password. The su space dash command is used to change the user. When you logged in with local user, you will see a $sign. When you are logged in with root user, you will see a hash sign. As we have logged into root user, now again type hostname space new hostname. Here is macro.com. The hostname is changed. Let's check it. Type hostname. The hostname is now macro.com. Through this command, you can easily change your hostname. Thanks for being with us. See you in the next video.